What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete your Facebook account on PC or on laptop. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. When you sign in on your Facebook, just go in right corner and click on your profile picture and go here on settings and privacy. Click this and go here on settings. Just click here Meta and click here personal information. Click here on management on your account and you will see here deactivation and delete. Just click this, choose your profile. You will see here deactivate your account and delete your account. Click here delete your account and go here continue. Also click continue. Check this, I spent too much time on Facebook and click continue. Continue also. You will see all this info, just scroll down and click continue. Type your password here and when you type your password and click continue, your Facebook account will be deleted. You will also have 30 days time to save your personal information. And that's it all guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.